A couple faced harassment by 5 men outside a park in Bengaluru, with attackers invoking religion to justify their assault. Police have arrested the perpetrators. Karnataka Minister M.B. Patil has condemned this incident, stating that moral policing will not be tolerated in a progressive state like Karnataka.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣಾ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು 4-5 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹುಡುಗಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಆರೋಪಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4 ಜನ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಜುವೆನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 4 ಜನ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಜುವೆನಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಸರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಅದು
ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಹುಡುಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ವೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೀಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
You've been very vocal, when it comes to crimes against women, moral policing, etc. In Bengaluru, another incident of moral policing coming to the fore, where a couple was harassed and heckled and beaten because
nobody is above the law. Nobody can take the law of the land into their hands, whether moral policing or anything else. This is not a UP or a Bihar or a Madhya Pradesh. We are a progressive state, and we will not allow such mindsets to creep in.
Well, yes, several questions are being asked about law and order in Bengaluru and in Karnataka overall. Like you mentioned, of course, as far as moral policing is concerned, Karnataka has been infamous for it. Be it the infamous Mangaluru pub attack, or very recently, in fact, even in the coastal part of Karnataka, again in Mangaluru, there was an incident where certain fringe elements barged into a salon and created ruckus. And this is an incident that's coming to the fore from Bengaluru now. A couple was seated in front of a park, and they were seated on a bike, and a few youth who didn't like the fact that they were seated together there, and also that they were both from different faiths. They started to question them. The boy was even beaten. The woman was heckled, questioned if her parents know, she was abused as well. Finally, of course, the police were informed about the incident by the girl through a complaint, and now 5 people have been taken into custody. One of them is a juvenile, and all of them right now in custody of the police. But one statement of the cop there has once again sparked off a debate. He says that nothing violent has happened, and the video clearly shows that the boy was beaten. The question here is why are such statements as well coming to the fore, which really raise doubts about how the case is being really looked into. We heard from the Congress minister there, Mr. Priyank Kharge, who says that no one is above the law and strict action will be taken.